In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Riot games and Riot games on your PC. Now what we want to do is we want to delete 3 folders, and I'll show you how to find them. The first step though is we want to go to Task Manager and make sure we close everything Riot related. So go to Details, sort by the name. First press L, find any League of Legends related and end the task. Then press R, find any Riot client related and end the task. And then press V, look for any Valorant or Vanguard stuff and close it. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is come down here and search for Riot client. Right click, open file location. Then we want to copy this one, so click here on a blank space, Control C, and that's fine. Then right click on this one again, open file location, go back to your disk and delete this folder. Once you've deleted that, click up here, Control V, paste, come to Programs and delete this folder. After you've deleted both of these, what you want to do is come down here and search for Run, press Enter and type % local app data %, press OK, scroll down and delete this folder. Once you've deleted all 3, right click your recycle bin and empty it. Once you've done that, search for Control Panel, view by category, uninstall the program, search for Riot, and make sure you delete everything Riot related, so Riot Client, Riot Vanguard, Valorant, League of Legends, or whatever else you have. Now once you've done that, Riot Client will be completely removed from your PC as you've deleted everything of it. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.